So if you're a skinny guy like I am and has a hard time gaining weight, this video is for you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to eat 3,000 calories the most easiest way ever in a day to gain weight. Not too long ago, I used to look like this, 120 pounds, skinny, really hard to gain weight and muscle. Now, I look like this, 160 pounds, majority of it is muscle, only about 9% body fat. So not bad. I give myself a pat on the back. If you were like me, didn't have any appetite, couldn't eat that many calories, but skinny as heck, scrawny, weak, and nothing. It looks like there was no hope at all. If you were like me, well, let me tell you, there is some hope. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys a 3,000 calorie meal plan, very easy to eat and very easy to make, that will help you gain weight and even build some muscle. Now, as a skinny guy, you have to understand that eating healthy things may not be in our favor. I'll get to that in just a second. Sometimes you do have to add some empty calories into your diet just so you can hit the calorie mark. Eating healthy all the time may keep you full longer than usual, making you not hit that calorie mark to gain weight. It's just how it works. Now, in this 3,000 calorie meal plan, you'll notice it's not going to be the cleanest, and it's like that purposely so you guys can hit the 3,000 calorie mark. It's going to be filled with a lot of simple carbs that doesn't have much fiber and a lot of meals that are high in fat, because 1 gram of fat is 9 calories. Not necessarily healthy fats, but just fats that can just get absorbed in your body really quickly, and so you can move on to the next meal. So nothing slow digestive. Let's get into it. All I ask to return is a like and subscribe. Let's get down to it. So the first meal is going to be an egg sandwich, and it's absolutely delicious and really high in calories, and this is how you make it. We're gonna get a pan and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil, easy 120 calories with 13.5 grams of fats. Now these are healthy fats, you know, good for the hormones and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna put not 1, not 2, but 3 whole eggs in there. I know they're doubled yellow, but that's okay. Just put 3 whole eggs in there. And this is about 220 calories with 18 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 50 grams of healthy fats again. We're gonna go ahead and season it, mix it up. While that's cooking, we're gonna get 1 large white pita. 1 large white pita is about 165 calories with 6 grams of protein, 33 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 1 gram of fiber. As you guys can see from the fiber, it's gonna keep you full for not a very long time. You're gonna get hungry again quick. But we're not done just yet. We're gonna slap on 1 tablespoon of mayo in there, and this is about 10 grams of fats. Now these are the unhealthy fats, these are the empty calories that we need to increase our calorie count to hit that calorie mark of 3,000. And this is about 90 calories. Around this time, the egg should be nice and finished. We're gonna put that onto the pita, and we're gonna put 100 grams of cucumbers in there, and this has 20 calories with 1 gram of protein, 4 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber, as well as 100 grams of tomatoes. And again, 1 gram of protein, 4 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber with 20 calories. We're gonna add a sauce in there, and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of cucumber sauce in there. Now, I had cucumber sauce laying around. You guys can put whatever sauce you guys want. Calories can vary, but this one had about 54 calories with 6 grams of fats. Again, this is also empty calories. We're gonna go ahead and roll it up like a sandwich, and we're gonna have this with 1 cup or 250 milliliters of orange juice. Orange juice is an empty calorie as well because it's concentrated, has no fiber, it's a simple carb, and it'll go right through you. And this is about 112 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 26 grams of carbs. And that's it for the first meal. In total, this is about 801.5 calories. With the total macros you're getting here is 28 grams of protein, 70 grams of carbs, 45.5 grams of fats, and only 4 grams of fiber. You should be full no longer than 2.5 to 3 hours max. Now that's crazy, 800 calories and you're only full for 2 to 3 hours. That's just insane. After 2 to 3 hours, we're gonna move on to our second meal, or snack, I should say, and this is gonna be a cereal. Very easy, very simple. It's gonna be 40 grams of Cocoa Puffs. It doesn't have to be Cocoa Puffs. It can be Frosted Flakes, Cheerios, whatever you guys have. They're all in the same calories range, you can say. But I had Cocoa Puffs around, and I love Cocoa Puffs, and 40 grams of that is 160 calories with 5 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. I'm gonna put 250 milliliters of whole milk in there, and this is about 152 calories with 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fats. Total of 312 calories, protein of 13 grams, 47 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fats, and 2 grams of fiber. You should be full for no longer than an hour. Really, no longer than an hour. After an hour to an hour and a half, we're gonna move on to our second meal, and it's gonna be chicken and rice. I know you guys have seen this time and time again, but man, chicken and rice is an easy meal to eat to gain weight. It's so easy, it's easy to make, easy to eat, and it's very enjoyable. It's really easy. We're gonna get 100 grams of chicken breast, 160 calories, 31 grams of protein, 4 grams of fats. Season it, do whatever you guys want, put whatever you guys want on it, but make sure to put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there. It's about 120 calories, 13.5 17.5 grams of fat, and put it to the air fryer or put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. While that's being cooked or baked, we're gonna get 250 grams of cooked white rice on the plate, and this is about 308 calories with 6 grams of protein, 71 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 1 gram of fiber. Once the chicken is done, oh my god, that sizzle, it just doesn't get old. We're gonna go ahead and put the chicken breast onto the plate, and this is how it looks like. Add some sriracha on it, man. Make it spicy, whatever, man. Enjoy it. And this is about a total of almost 590 calories, the total macros being 37 grams of protein, 71 grams of carbs, 17.5 grams of fats, and 1 gram of fiber, which is just insane. The total hours you should be full here is no longer than 2 to 2.5 hours, man. That white rice goes through you it just goes right through you, especially that us skinny guys have fast metabolism. I'm thinking 2.5 hours or 2 hours is overestimating it, to be honest, but you could be full for that long. Now moving on to the fourth meal, it can't be a 3,000 calorie meal plan without a protein shake. You could have 3,000 calories with just meals and eating food, but trust me, man, it gets tiring on a daily basis. When you add a shake, it makes things a whole lot easier. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make a peanut butter protein shake. It's 1,000 calories, but it goes through you like it's nothing. This is how you make it. So first, we're gonna put 250 milliliters of whole milk in a blender, 152 calories, 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fats. Put 20 grams of oats in there, about 73 calories, 3 grams of protein, 13 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 1 gram of fiber. We're gonna put 1 cup of chocolate ice cream in there. Yeah, we're gonna have some chocolate ice cream here, and this is about 300 calories with 5 grams of protein, 38 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of fats. We're also gonna put 1 cup of Reese's Puffs in there, which has 168 calories, 3 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fats, and 2 grams of fiber. Now, you guys don't have to put Reese's Cups in there. Reese's Puffs, you guys can put whatever cereal you guys want, but to make it more peanut buttery, no brainer that I put Reese's Puffs in here. We're also gonna put 1 tablespoon of peanut butter in there because we wanna make this peanut buttery. And this is about 100 calories, 4 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, 8 grams of healthy fats, and 1 gram of fiber. On top of that, we're gonna put 1 banana in there, which has 100 calories, 1 gram of protein, 24 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. And last but not least, we're gonna put 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein in there, which has almost 120 calories with 24 grams of whopping fiber, barely any carbs, and barely any fats. We're gonna go ahead and blend that up. Once we nicely blend it and it's nice and mixed, we're gonna pour it out. Note that this is 2 servings, right? This is like not 1 glass, but 2 glass of 250 millimeters. So if you guys wanna have 1 glass as a pre-workout and then have the other glass as a post-workout, that's not a bad idea. Total calories here is about 1,008, with the total macros being 48 grams of protein, 123 grams of carbs, which is absolutely crazy, 36 grams of fats, and 8 grams of fiber. The maximum you should be full if you take this all in one go. It's literally an hour and a half to 2 hours. Maybe not even 2 hours, and maybe an hour and a half is ideal. It doesn't keep you full for a long time, and it's only 1,000. It's 1,000 calories, man. So that's a very easy way to get calories and get you closer to your calorie mark. I'm not gonna lie, this protein shake right here, I've made it multiple times to gain weight and it helped big time. So I highly recommend you guys to do it. And moving on to the last meal of the day. This could be a snack, or it could be a meal, whatever you guys want to call it. It's gonna be Greek yogurt with veggies. This is the last meal of the day, and I'm guessing you're gonna be eating this around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or 10 o'clock. You should be full. Whatever you eat as a last meal, you should be full until the next morning. So we're gonna get 250 grams of full fat Greek yogurt, and this is about 274 calories with 26 grams of protein, 11 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of fats. Easy peasy. We're gonna get 100 grams of cucumber, chop it up, put it into the Greek yogurt. Has about 20 calories, 1 gram of protein, 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber. We're also going to get 40 grams of onions in there. This will add a lot of flavor in there, which is absolutely, it tastes really good with onions. And this is about 16 calories, 4 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. Don't forget to season and then mix it up. At the end, it looks something like this. Absolutely delicious and really, really fulfilling. The total calories here is 310, while the total macros you get here is 27 grams of protein, 19 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fat, and 2 grams of fiber. After eating this, man, you're full for a very long time. You should be full until the next morning. You should have an amazing dream when you eat this because it's really slow digestive and it does keep you full for a long time. However, I don't recommend having this during the day because we are trying to stay hungry so we can eat as many calories as we can to reach that 3,000 calorie mark. But if you guys decide to eat this during the day, it keeps you full up to 3 hours. So that's why I'm saying have it at the end of the day so you guys can can stay full throughout the night, not get hungry and binge eat on other stuff. The total calories of this entire meal is about 3,021, while the total macros you consumed here is 153 grams of protein, 330 grams of carbs. Woo! That's a lot of carbs, but that's normal. With the total fat being 121 grams and the total fiber you're getting here is 17 grams, which is absolutely crazy because 17 grams of fiber is what you will want to get in a 1200 to a 1400 calorie meal plan to stay full. But we're getting this in 3,000 calories. So you already know this whole meal plan is not going to keep you full for a very long time, which is good news for us so we can hit this mark and gain some weight. If you guys want a step-by-step 3,000 calorie meal plan, you know, meal by meal, ingredient by ingredient, custom meal plan, I do that right now on my Fiverr page. So if you guys are interested, hop onto my Fiverr page, link in the description, DM me, and we can definitely get something started. But guys, be honest with me. Wasn't this easy? Wasn't this so easy? Here's a hack that I'll tell you. Once you guys do this for a few days, it gets a whole lot easier. It really does. But if you guys want an easier calorie meal plan, easier than this, then I highly recommend you guys watch this 1,000 calorie meal idea. 3 different meals, each meal is 1,000 calories. So if you guys want to reach 3,000 calories in just 3 meals, check out this video. You guys will not be disappointed. And as always guys, don't forget to subscribe and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.